Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have 2019 GMC Terrain and I will show you which fuse to check in case your Terrain is equipped with memory seats and they are not working. This video will apply to GMC Terrains made from 2018 all the way up to 2024. Now this Terrain I'm sitting in, it's an SLE trim and it's not equipped with memory seats, but still I will show you where the fuse is supposed to be. Memory seats fuse will be located in a luggage compartment just behind this cover. Now to remove the cover you just want to pop it out using anything like a flat screwdriver or even your fingers if you can do it. On the back side of the cover you will also have a small fuse diagram. And if your Terrain is equipped with memory seats, the fuse will be right here at the slot number F5 and it will be a red 10 amp fuse. I will show you the diagram here as well. So this is the location right here. Okay, thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.